friends, so let's see how can you turn on voice access on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. First you have to click on device settings. Here you have to search voice access. Click on voice access. Here enable both the permission. If you are a first time user, it won't be that easy for you. Go on settings and set up voice access. If you use it for the first time, it will automatically open this page in front of you. You won't have to go on settings and all. Open Play Store. Here whatever the application will be, you have to download it and click on agree, done, and then continue till it reaches the finish. You have to click on it. Still getting any problem, you have to go back and search live transcribe. Here you can see is live transcribe. Open live transcribe, settings, more settings, and here you can see secondary language. You have to make sure that the secondary language is United States. If it's not, there will be a problem in downloading the application and source, so make sure it is. Let's continue our voice access. Now that everything is perfect, you have to come on settings and click on activation button. Here you can see the icon. If you want to on this settings, you have to just click on this icon and it's done. Let's check it out. Open YouTube. Go back home. Go home. Open Google. Go back. That was it for today, guys. Hope you loved the video.